Ever wanted to make your text curve perfectly over a logo or photo? Today, I'll show you exactly how to arch text in Photoshop. A quick and easy skill that can add a professional touch to any design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to transform plain, straight text into a smooth, eye-catching arch. Perfect for banners, badges, or anything that needs a little creative flair. So let's jump right in. First up, go ahead and open Photoshop on your computer. If you're just starting out with Photoshop, don't worry. This process works in most versions, and you don't need any special settings. Once it's open, take a brief moment to get your workspace set up. Maybe close any unnecessary tabs and just get comfortable in the main editing area. Having a tidy workspace helps you focus on the task at hand and avoids confusion, especially when you're following along with a tutorial. Now, let's add the text you want to arch. Choose the Text tool. It's the T icon over in your toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out your message. You can pick any font or color at this stage, so don't be afraid to be creative. Think about what kind of mood you want your arched text to convey. A bold headline, a playful script for a birthday invitation, or even a clean, classic look for a logo. Once you've typed out your text, you can use the top options bar to adjust size, font, and alignment. If you're unsure about the font just yet, you can always change it later. Photoshop keeps things super flexible. Next comes the important part. Right-clicking on your text layer to start transforming it. Over in the Layers panel on the right, find your text layer. It should have a T thumbnail. Right-click on it, and from the menu that pops up, select Warp Text. This menu might seem a little overwhelming if you've never used it before, but we'll just be focusing on a simple option, so don't worry. The Warp Text dialog box opens up, and here's where the magic happens. From the Style drop-down menu, choose Arc. You'll immediately see your text bend into a graceful curve, right there on your canvas. The amount of arch can be adjusted by dragging the Bend slider left or right. Don't be afraid to experiment here. If you want a dramatic curve, push it further. For something subtle, just nudge the slider gently. Remember, you can also play with vertical and horizontal distortion sliders if you want something extra creative. But for most projects, just adjusting the bend gets you exactly that classic arched look. Notice how the text stays crisp and readable, no matter how much you curve it. That's the beauty of using Photoshop's text warping tool instead of awkwardly twisting your text by hand or with free transform. It's precise, smooth, and easy to adjust later. And that's it. Your text is now perfectly arched, ready to enhance your design. Go ahead and reposition it if you need to, or change the color and effects to make it pop against your background. If you want to tweak the arc later, just repeat the warp step. You're never locked in. So you've just learned how to make text arch in Photoshop, and hopefully you've seen how simple it really is once you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.